Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 3rd Subject English.
Good morning student, welcome to 3rd standard English class. Yesterday what we have seen grammar topic naming words. Okay, listen it. As did you all finish the homework? Did you find the answer? Yes, now we will check the answer. Okay, take page number 8. Days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Second one, month of the year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Third one, sum of birds: parrot, hen, peacock, sparrow, cuckoo, eagle, etc. Fourth one, some vegetables: onion, brinjal, potato, tomato, cabbage, some etc. Fifth one, some big cities: Delhi, Agra, Simla, Kanpur, Chennai, Mysore, etc. Sixth one, some children in your class: Lucy, Misha, Joni, Ravi, Rogan, Sunanta, etc. Okay, take page number 10. Seventh one, some things in your classroom. Okay, table, chair, desk, blackboard, duster, fan, etc. Eighth one, some articles of dress: shirt, trousers, skirt, blouse, tie, socks, shoe, etc. Ninth one, some flowers: rose, tulip, primrose, lily, lotus, daisy, daffodil, marigold, etc. Second Roman, underline the noun in each sentence. Okay, first one, Lucy has a new doll. Lucy and doll, noun, underline this word. Second one, that man is my uncle. Man, uncle, underline the noun. Third one, we are late for school. School, noun, underline. Fourth one, these oranges are sweet. Oranges, underline nouns. Fifth one, I have a pen and a pencil. Pen and pencil, underline. Sixth one, the elephant is a big animal. Elephant and animal, noun. Okay, take page number 13. First Roman, write the plural form. First one, toys, cities, feet. Second, leaves, ladies, tables, knives, branches, women. Okay, second Roman, write the singular form: fly, man, mouse, doll, ox, lamb, baby, thief, match. Okay, third Roman, fill in the blanks with the plural form of the given words. First one, brush your teeth daily. Second, I have a book of stories. Third one, my oxen are very strong. Fourth one, these mangoes are very sweet. Fifth one, two families live in this house. Sixth one, cat and mice are not friends. Seventh one, the leaves of this tree are green. Okay, take page number 14. Fourth Roman, write 6 plural words for each group. Okay, first, words ending in S: tables, chairs, fans, desk, teachers, cups. Okay, word ending in ES: boxes, foxes, mangoes, buffaloes, benches, heroes. Words ending in VES: gloves, knives, leaves, thieves, wives, house. Next, word ending in IES: babies, ladies, cities, files, stories, bodies. Okay, fifth Roman, change the singular into plurals. Okay, second answer, husbands or men. Third one, pencils are like pens. Fourth one, gardens have trees. Fifth one, dolls or toys. Sixth one, watches or small clocks. Seventh one, cities or big towns. Okay, student, take page number 16. First Roman, write M for masculine word and F for feminine words. Okay. First, masculine, fox, masculine, Ken, feminine, pull, masculine, how, feminine, and feminine. Okay. Next, diker, masculine, sister, feminine, nice, feminine, horse, masculine, daughter, feminine. Second Roman, Q2, feminine of first one, sir, madam, son, daughter, fox, vixen, boy, girl, king, queen, cock, king, and uncle, auntie, father, mother, husband, wife. Third Roman, give the masculine of. Okay. First, how, ox, lady, gentleman, mare, horse, pitch, dog, nice, nephew, sister, nephew, mama, papa, woman, man, princess, prince. Okay. Okay. Fourth Roman, rewrite change masculine word into feminine. Okay. Second one, answer. She has two house. She has two house. Third one, madam, she is absent today. Madam, she is absent today. Fourth one, the tigers kill the vixen. The tigers kill the vixen. Fifth one, she wrote a letter to her niece. She wrote a letter to her niece. Okay, take page number 17. Put a tick or a cross according to the article used. First one, a shop, tick. Second one, a food, grass. Third one, a bread, cross. Fourth one, a butter, cross. Fifth one, a cotton, cross. Sixth one, a sugar, cross. Seventh one, a pencil, tick. Eighth one, a smoke, cross. Ninth one, a money, cross. 10th one, a woman, tick. Okay, student, thank you.